So my name is Emily Churchard-Davies and I'm a course director and lecturer for Bridge to Vocation. This course is aimed at mainly learners who need to have a break into college, who need like a bit more support with us for then a stepping stone to maybe move either out of foundation onto different courses in our area. It's aimed for students with like learning difficulties and different needs, might be anxiety, mental health, learners who've not got on at school particularly well or have been out of education. A typical day at college, students would arrive at 8:45 and then they're in lessons with a short break, and then at 12 o'clock we break for lunch and have 12 till 1 at lunch, and then in the afternoon lessons run from 1 till 4 with a break, and then at 4 they get to go home. The key areas of the course are we look at getting yourself independent skills, practical in the kitchen and some horticulture, and we look at planning a journey using public transport. They get to do a personal project of their choice. They get to look at work skills and work experience, so they get to look at managing money, like teamwork, communication in the workplace, customer service in the workplace. Learners gain from this course, they gain to increase their confidence, they gain more independent skills, and again just a general life skills. The learners are supported with support staff depending on the students' needs, either they're general or they could be shared, or some people do have one-to-one support. The support staff are with them all through the day, and then at breaks and lunch times the support staff are downstairs in the hub if they're needed. So the course is assessed all by written work and there's no exams. The only exams might be if when we assess you and stream you for maths and English, sometimes there's functional skills exams for that. This course doesn't have mandatory work experience. We do lots of college marketing experience for events and open days that the students like to give them a sense of how it is working. Learners who normally do this course will progress either to developing work skills, which is run in foundation, or they might go to supported internship, or they go to employment, or they could do a stepping stone to then a mainstream course in a different area. At lunch and break times we offer the hub, which is downstairs. There is a safe haven upstairs if the noise is too much downstairs, or if they've got off-site permission they are able to go off-site. I think learners from this course will enjoy improving their independence, increasing their confidence, realising that college is quite free and they'll like it, and then moving on to an area of their choice that they might want to go into and get employment.